Hi, this is Dustin with Headset Advisor. Should you upgrade your Plantronics CS55? If you're viewing this video, then you're probably interested in potentially replacing your Plantronics CS55 headset. The headset sitting in front of me is the Plantronics CS55. It's a fantastic headset. It's been around for decades, and people have absolutely loved this product. It's extremely durable. It's worked great. The only problem is technology these days is starting to shift a little bit away from traditional desk phone only headsets to some headsets with some new features that I'll talk to you about in a little bit. That being said, if the reason for you watching this video is something like the headset's not working properly, maybe echo, static, or some sort of issue like that, or you are not getting the same battery life that you used to get out of the headset, this could be a simple troubleshooting issue or a need for a replacement battery. So if that's the case, take a look in the description below and you'll see some links to videos that will show you how to troubleshoot the headset and also how to replace the battery. And then if you do decide you want the battery, there is a link for the replacement battery as well. It's relatively inexpensive, and you can use coupon code YouTube in all capital, and that will give you a discount on the battery. Now, this particular headset is designed for desk phones, works great, has DECT technology, and gives you about 300 feet of wireless range, and that's open line of sight. Really nice headset, noise cancellation microphone, works great. So if you're to the point where you've had it for a while and it's starting to get a little long in the tooth, or maybe you have some need change requirements. For example, you're switching over from desk phones to computer-based soft phones, or you're just wanting to use your headset for your video meetings or listening to maybe some music while you're doing some work, then you may want to look at some other options. So if you're considering that, keep in mind we do have a trade-in program, and there will be a link for that as well in the description that will allow you to trade your old CS55 headset in for credit to be applied toward a new headset. So I'll move this headset aside for now. Okay, so these two headsets in front of me are from the Discover series. This one is the Discover D904, and this one is the Discover Adapt 30. And these are two fantastic options for you to consider if you've been using the Plantronics CS55 headset and you're looking for an upgrade. Now, when you look at both of these headsets, you'll notice that the D904 will be most similar looking to the Plantronics CS55. You'll see that it has the same style of headset, and it also rests on the ear rather than going in your ear like the CS55. So extremely similar. It has the ear loop, and it does come with a headband attachment as seen here. So you can wear it in either the overhead or over-ear wearing style configuration. In addition to being very similar in that way, it also has DECT technology and gets about the same wireless range. Now, the added benefits that you're going to get out of this model compared to the previous model is that you'll be able to connect not only to a desk phone, but also to a computer using this headset for soft phone calls, for video meetings, music, anything that you need to do on a computer, you can do on this headset. Furthermore, it has unlimited talk time. So if you've ever noticed your battery on your CS55 headset wasn't getting a charge for the entire day, no worries whatsoever. You're covered with this particular model. You'll see that there is a spare battery on the back that's always being charged, and it's hot swappable. So that means when you're live on a call and you start getting a beeping tone in your headset notifying you that your headset's going to die in the next 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you can simply replace the battery out live on the call and continue on with the call without dropping the call. So this is a really, really nice feature. So for people who want the same wearing style and the wearing style options, and they're very familiar with the CS55, but are looking for an upgrade in terms of the battery life, the connectivity options, longer warranty, things like that, then the Discover D904 is a fantastic option. Now, the headset here, like I mentioned, is the Discover Adapt 30. This one too also has DECT technology and will give you about 300 feet of wireless range. It connects to a desk phone and also to a computer, just like the previous model that I was mentioning. So for any of those computer-based needs, then you'll be completely covered with the Discover D904. With the Adapt 30. You'll see that it has a single ear over the head wearing style. So if you're somebody that likes the headband rather than the ear loop, the Adapt 30 is a fantastic option. And this headset is extremely unique on the market, that it allows you to wear the headset in either single ear configuration, or you can wear the headset in the dual ear configuration. As simple as that. You just snap off the single ear headband and pop in the dual ear headset, and you're ready to go. So this is a fantastic option for people who would like to be able to have a headset that can be worn over one ear, maybe when making calls, but also would like the ability to have a dual ear headset in case the noise around is a bit loud and you want to block out that noise, or if you're listening to music or a podcast or something like that and you would like the stereo sound in your headset. It's very nice for that flexibility in wearing styles, and extremely unique. So both of these, as I had mentioned, are fantastic options for the upgrade. Go ahead and check out the trade-in program if you wanted to go ahead with that, and you can ask any questions on the comments below, chat, call, send an email, and we'd be glad to discuss more about your particular phone or your particular soft phone, your requirements, and see if these headsets would be the right fit for you. And if you're needing the remote answering feature, we can show you which accessory you would need for your particular situation. So appreciate you stopping by and viewing this video, and be sure to view the links in the description below and use coupon code YouTube if you would like to get a discount on these models. Thank you. Until next time.